The world of classic trucks continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts alike, and few models embody both rarity and timeless design like the 1957 GMC 100 NAPCO 4WD pickup. Scheduled to cross the block at Mecum's Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 auction on October 31, this beautifully restored piece of American truck history is nothing short of stunning. To truly appreciate this vehicle, one must understand its heritage. The GMC 100 hails from the Blue Chip series, GMC's counterpart to Chevrolet's Task Force trucks introduced in 1955. While both models shared similar styling, the GMC stood apart with its own set of engines, including inline-sixes and Pontiac-sourced V8s. The Task Force series was celebrated for its innovations, becoming GM's first trucks to offer optional power steering, power brakes, V8 engines, and the industry's first wraparound windshield. The 1957 GMC 100 featured here is even more special thanks to its NAPCO four-wheel drive system. NAPCO, short for Northwestern Auto Parts Company, was a leading manufacturer of aftermarket 4WD conversion kits after World War II. Their famed Powr-Pak kit could be bolted onto GM pickups, transforming them into rugged four-wheel drive machines. In 1956, GMC began offering the Powr-Pak as a factory-installed option, followed by Chevrolet in 1957. However, production was short-lived, ending in 1959 when GM launched its own in-house 4x4 system. Because of this brief production window, factory-equipped NAPCO trucks are exceedingly rare. Experts estimate that fewer than 2,000 pickups across all brands were outfitted with NAPCO systems, making surviving examples highly collectible today. This 1957 GMC 100 NAPCO is not only one of those rare survivors, but also one of the finest examples thanks to a meticulous, no-expense-spared restoration. Under the hood lies the original 347 cubic-inch Pontiac V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox and the NAPCO Powr-Pak system. All components were rebuilt by skilled experts in Florida, ensuring the truck retains its authentic mechanical character. Despite its originality, the restoration did incorporate a few modern touches for comfort and reliability, including vintage air conditioning, a retro-sound AM/FM stereo, MagnaFlow exhaust, LED lighting, upgraded brakes and suspension, and an electric fuel pump. These additions enhance drivability without compromising the truck's heritage. Visually, the truck stuns with a custom color finish that accentuates its mid-century design, while its overall condition looks factory fresh despite being nearly 7 decades old. Completed in December 2017, the restoration left the GMC with just 62 miles on the odometer, making it essentially brand new for collectors. For enthusiasts of classic American trucks, this GMC offers a rare opportunity to own not only a piece of history, but also a unique blend of originality and subtle modernization. It represents a bygone era when pickups were evolving from basic workhorses into stylish, innovative vehicles, and it highlights NAPCO's important role in popularizing four-wheel drive in consumer trucks. When the hammer falls at Mecum's Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 auction, this 1957 GMC 100 NAPCO will undoubtedly draw strong interest from collectors who appreciate its rarity, authenticity, and painstaking restoration. For those lucky enough to see it in person, it's more than just a truck. It's a rolling tribute to innovation, craftsmanship, and classic American design.